So in this video I just want to show you very quickly how to add on your domains to your hosting account now that you've purchased and set up the hosting. So you're in the back end here like I showed you a moment ago, and you just scroll down until you find domains and you click on add on domains. So this is where you actually link up the new domain that you've just purchased with the actual hosting account. Okay. Now step one here is enter a domain, and you want to click the user domain that is not already associated with your account. Put in the new web address here, the URL, and I haven't got any fresh URLs, so I can't actually do this process for you. However, you'll see that it validates the domain name. It will show where you the ownership, for example, will show your name and the registrar details, and then you'll come down a little bit further to step 3, and you want to add on the domain. So just leave it as it is like that. Parked domain is only if you're not ready to use the website yet, and you've just sort of register it to hold for good safekeeping. But we want to use the domain, so click on add-on, and then scroll down to step 4, and you just basically suggesting what account you want to, what directory you want to make, and it's stored in your public HTML, which in the next video when I show you how to do FTP, you'll see exactly where that folder is and what it means. But I like to put in your URL with like the .com extension or the .net extension or whatever there, just to keep them in order, because for example you may have registered multiple domain names with the same name, but you've got one .com, one .net, etc. So just to keep them so separate, so you know what they are in your for file storage, just make sure it's labeled correctly. And then all you do is click assign this domain, and away it will go. And it will join a list of domain names that are assigned under this hosting account. So that's quite simple, that. So now that you've assigned the domain, and it's just a quick process of setting up an email account for that URL. So just click on email accounts here, and we've got several domain names, but what we'll do is just click on Empowerment Collective here, and then you just go ahead and put, support, for example, in there. So support, and then the domain name that you want. Choose a password, verify the password, and then you just click on create account. Actually, I usually click unlimited, which just stops the having a cap on the storage amount in the email. And then once you've done that, you'll find the email account listed here, and you can log in through this page, or you can log in through a separate webmail login page. And so now you've got email access to your domain that you can list on your website.